The road was scheduled to be closed for a month only, but it remains closed to this day. Entering the Havana four-way, the Eneas Peter Nanyemba Road, formerly known as Monte Cristo, is blocked, causing traffic congestion, and often school children who commute arrive late. The resident spokesperson, Joseph Fernando, says street vendors along the road are also affected as they depend on people passing by to sell their goods.
Any house catch fire here. My friend, I'm telling you, the fire brigade got no access to such a house. If there's somebody sick, the ambulance cannot help that person immediately because the road is broke. This now said it become now the house of the churches. Lastly, if you are knocking off very late, the tax can drop you close to your house. But now remember, if now from here, the tax will maintain more than 800 meters to you safe, so that they can maintain to come and drop here. They don't want it anymore.
Residents also complain that the contractor has not created a pedestrian walk or a passway for those with cars. Residents have now given the municipality 7 days to remove the heap of sand blocking their movement.